Hello and welcome. In this video we will create a web page using JavaScript and HTML where the background color will change automatically after 1200 seconds, and this event is triggered automatically after the page gets loaded in the browser. So there should be at least 7 different colors, and when the page is loaded the colors should start changing. So for that purpose, first let's see our body section where we have used attribute onLoad and we have given function f1. So in the function f1 we are setting background color as cyan. Then we are setting a timeout for window of 1200 seconds, after which it will go to the second function, which is f2. In f2 we are setting background color as purple, and then we are setting timeout of again 1200 seconds and going to f3. In f3 we are setting color as black, going to f4 after 1200 seconds. Then in f4 we are setting yellow color, again after 1200 seconds going to f5. In f5 orange color, then f6. So we'll go to function f1. In f1 we are setting background color as cyan, then setting timeout, and then going to function f2. Then in f2 setting color as purple, going to f3. In f3 setting color as black, going to f4. This will continue till f7. In f7 you can see that we are again setting color as red and then going to function 1. So this will continue in the infinite loop. And then we have used another feature which is onUnload. So on unload we are going to function 8, so it will give a alert message that you are quitting the web page. Now let's save this program and see the output. So for saving we are using file name as bgcolor onload.html. Click on save. Now here open this file and you can see the background color is automatically changing. Thank you.